Hello, and welcome. I am Edwin, the digital avatar for Paraben's electronic evidence examiner platform. In this video, we will explore how E3 allows you to perform searches using a predefined list of terms related to a certain subject, such as drugs, explosives, illicit images, and more. In this example, we will be searching for drug-related content in the evidence. To begin, right-click on the desired evidence you wish to search, and select Advanced Search. In the Command tab, click Load Words, and select the Use Predefined List option. In the drop-down list, select the list to be used and click OK. Then click Start to begin the search. After the search is finished, you can view the results in the Results area of the search pane. Click the plus sign near the Hit node to extend the position list, where the search word found in the certain position will be displayed. You can right-click on a specific result and select Go to File to navigate to the original file in the case.